Right off the bat, I wanted to let you know that parts of Try Django are available on YouTube as well. However, on YouTube, they are supported by advertisements, so those ads can be a little bit nagging and stuff like that. So that won't ever happen on Udemy. The things inside of this course, if I recommend a product or service, it's typically because I used it myself and I recommend it in that sense. I don't always have affiliate links and stuff like that, but if I do have affiliates, I usually make that known while it's happening. So, for example, Heroku.com is currently not an affiliate of mine. That might happen at some point, but right now it's not. It's just a service that I use and I think is great. You'll see what I mean once we get to Heroku. But this class itself is really meant to be an ad-free experience, as well as allow you to download any of the relevant videos or files that are needed to actually get your projects off the ground. But I did want you to know that there is stuff on YouTube that we put on YouTube to test material, to teach other people around the world that might not be able to afford buying a course. But then also it's really a hub to just grow our community so we understand what people want to learn and help tailor your experience for that. And then this course, Try Django, we are going to be updating this course prior to ever updating YouTube. And in some cases, some of the sections or some of the projects will be updated on Try Django where they will not be updated on YouTube. So the older version, if you will remain on YouTube and the most updated version will be in Try Django. All of that's going to happen only if you guys interact with Try Django, the course discussion, and give us feedback, because we won't know what to change unless you guys tell us or ask a bunch of questions. And that being said, hopefully you also help answer other students' questions as well, because that is going to help you learn even more. If you can think critically to what somebody's going through and help provide them with some guidance, whether you've gone through it or not, will actually help you learn and understand Django that much more. Because realistically, what are you doing this for? It's to learn and master Django, right? So answering questions and helping other people out, that is a very solid way to get a much better understanding of how Django works. And that is also how I got really good at Django myself. It's just by fielding questions, or at least looking at different questions that people ask and trying to figure them out for myself. And of course, I ask a ton of questions when it comes to Django. So I did have some friends that helped me out early on, and I asked them questions all the time. So hopefully you guys do that, and hopefully you help each other out. Otherwise, I'm going to be your resource to help you learn and get Django down. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. codingforentrepreneurs@gmail.com is where you can reach me, and also this course discussion area and stuff like that. I try to answer as many, if not all, questions as possible. So yeah, thank you so much again for joining this class, and let's get started.